you are 30 to 45% late, between 30 to about 45% late, if now is the time that you are just waking up to start investing in crypto. Let me take this again, all right? Today is the 2nd of December, 2024. And if by this date, this is the time that you want to bring money into crypto, you want to invest some of your money into crypto, I just want you to know that you are between 40 to about 45% late in the market already. All right. But
this is not a financial advice. Do your own research.
That doesn't mean all hope is lost, okay? Because there is good news. And the good news for you is that you still have about 60 to maybe 70%, okay, available in the bull run, right? But I don't know how probable that might be as of this particular point in time. So if you're just coming into crypto right now, just have it at the back of your mind that you are between 30 to 45% late into the market already. All right.
You are watching Obicrypto. Subscribe now.
But that doesn't mean you shouldn't invest, because there are cryptocurrencies that might still give you 200, 300, even to 500 or even 1000% of your money at this particular point in time. And I will be giving you guys a list of cryptocurrencies that can do that kind of movement for you in my next video. For this particular point in time, I just want you to know that you are between 30 to 45% late. So that's your cousin or your niece or your brother, right, or your in-law that has been telling you to bring money, invest money in crypto several months ago, and you shunned them, right? I just want you to know that right now, if at this point in time you have decided to bring your money into crypto, just have it at the back of your mind that you are between 30 to 45% late in the market already. Therefore, whatever you are investing now, if it doesn't perform very well for you the way you are expecting, please don't take it out on that little boy or little girl who has been advising you to bring money into crypto all this while. Do you understand? Just know it that you did it by yourself. Because where were you when? Where have you been since January this year? Since January 2024? Between January and February, Bitcoin was trading around $40,000. Where were you when Bitcoin was around 40,000? You didn't come into crypto. It's now that Bitcoin is selling for around 95,000. From 40,000 to 95,000. This is the time that you want to come in with your money. I'm not saying you shouldn't put your money into crypto, but I just want to let you know that you are between 30 to 40% late already in the market. So whatever you're doing right now, just have it at the back of your mind that you didn't come on time. You're late. All right. So, but whatever you see in the market, take it as you see it. This is not to get you scared or keep you away from the market. It's just to prepare your mind so that as you're coming into the market, you know what you're coming to meet. All right. My name is Obicrypto with over 8 years of experience in the crypto world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Obicrypto, over and out.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be
You are watching Obicrypto. Subscribe now.
This is not a financial advice. Do your own research.